I want to address a video that's been circulating tonight because people deserve the truth, not a performance designed to gain sympathy. At around 8 p.m. today, my cousins had gone to Bilal's Sweets on Allen Rock Road to get some food to take back to the campaign office. They were on the opposite side of the road, well away from the opposition's campaign office, and that's when one of them happened to see Ahmed Yaqub. He approached him separately and challenged hahmed on the derogatory remarks that had been made about his mother. Ahmed apologised. That part is not even in dispute. My cousin then said that the apology should be made publicly. At that point, Showkat came charging over, inserted himself into the situation and began aggressively confronting my cousin, saying, "He's my guest and let's go around the corner and have it out." And that is where the situation escalated verbally. I was not there at the start. I was at Pepe's with another cousin when we both got the call and quickly went over together. And the cousin that you see me pulling away in the video had no idea what had happened beforehand. He walked into that situation cold. When we arrived, there were already two groups on either side of the road, and that's when verbal abuse and threats started being directed towards my cousin. So I did the exact opposite of what is now being implied. I pulled him away, I removed him from the situation, I de-escalated it. At no point did I see Nosheen initially. In fact, even in the video that she shared, you can clearly see my cousin is looking past the camera and speaking to someone behind the person recording, not to her. He didn't even know that she was there. And I only realised that she was present myself when I was pulling him away, and I had to tell him afterwards. So the claim that she was being targeted or about to be attacked is completely false. You can also hear in the same video Nosheen telling Showkat to go back inside. Allah ne vaste, chacha, go inside. For the sake of God, uncle, go inside.
I'm not going.
And him refusing and continuing to shout that he isn't going inside. That tells you exactly who was escalating things. And let's be honest, the public have already seen the behaviour and conduct coming from the independents throughout this campaign. People aren't blind to it. So when more claims like this appear, it's fair to question whether they're about the truth or whether they're about trying to generate some sympathy and support so close to the election day. This looks like a desperate attempt to create false news and gain views and votes, and I really do hope that people see through it and rise above it. I've now personally had abuse directed to me online off the back of this. Lies, exaggerations, unknown phone calls and completely false narratives, and despite that I have not retaliated. This is my 5th election. This is not the first time that we're standing in elections. I've conducted myself the same way every single time. I do not condone intimidation, I do not condone aggression, and I'll always step in to calm situations down, not inflame them. Let me be absolutely clear. Nobody was attacked, nobody was going to be attacked, and the suggestion otherwise is simply untrue. I would urge everyone on both sides to grow up, lower the temperature, and focus on the issues that actually matter to residents, because this election should be about the community of Allen Rock, not manufactured drama.